Hello everybody, I'm Oliver, one of the 3 creators on this channel, and today I am going to be showing you how to do the basics of Scratch. So here we are, I am in Scratch right now. So yes, the way to get to Scratch is just type Scratch in Google, whatever you do, and it should come up with Scratch, Imagine, Program and Share. Click that and then press create, and you should be here. If it does say click to run Flash, yeah, click it and it will run the Flash and you will get this page. Now, once you're on this page, I'm going to show you where everything is. So, you are automatically loaded in with this sprite. Scratch calls these sprites, characters. You see, sprite 1. Costumes, so it's costume 2, costume 1. Sounds, you've got meow. Then you can do the stage. So if you click the stage, you got the script, backdrop, sound. And you can get a new background by choosing one from the library. Okay, these are the different categories of these. I'm going to press cancel for now. And you can go to Sprite Library. So those are the libraries. You can paint your own, upload your own, or take a photo from your camera. And that's the same with the backdrop as well. Now, so you can move your sprite. If you click on it and drag it, you'll be able to move it. Here, watch as I move my sprite around. Yeah, the coordinates change. So if you don't know, this is the x-axis this way, which always goes right, never left. If you want a sprite to go left, then you need to do minus a value, and then y-axis always goes up. So if you want it to go down, you need to do a negative value. Okay, so once you've got the hang of that, in the script menu for backdrop or any of your sprites, you have the motions, the looks, sound, the pen, the data or data, events, control, sensing, operators, and more blocks. Now, more blocks isn't really necessary to have. Okay, we will cover this later on, but you don't need to know this right now. So the motion is basically if I want it to move 10 steps. Okay, but I could run it by just clicking it. Okay, yeah. But the way to usually start these programs is to press the green flag. Now the way we do is we go to events, and when the green flag is clicked, moves 10 steps. Perfect. Now if you've got a forever running script, click the stop button and it will stop, because otherwise it will literally go on forever. Should do anyway. So sensing is a little bit, it's not something we should be doing right now. Operators is when you do the ifs or the ifs else's, basically anything that's got these honeycomb, there's hex, hex 2, 4, 6, hexagon shape in it. See these have all got the hexagon shapes, well, most of them. You can put them inside these bits. Okay, now the looks, basically how it looks, you can say hello for 2 seconds. There we go, it disappears. Or you can just make it say hello forever. You can stop it. If you want to delete them, just drag them back into this column and they will disappear. Now I want to create a new sprite. First I want to delete it. Right now I should just quickly cover this. As you can see, if you press this information button, it comes up like this. So yeah, rotation style, I guess if you do that, it will rotate around something. That will probably go backwards and forwards. That's just how it normally works. So I'd advise you to keep it like that. You can change the name. So I'm going to call this cat. You know, we'll keep cat. Because we are going to go into the library. And we're going to pick Bear 2. So Bear 2 and cat, they are friends. Okay, let's make them face each other. What? There we go. Facing each other now. Look how happy they are. Yeah? Perfect. Right. So we're going to make them have a bit of a conversation. So cat, when the flag is clicked, when the program starts, we want to chat. So we're going to say, I think hello is a pretty good thing. For 2 seconds. That means Bear needs to wait 2 seconds. Because otherwise if I just put, say hello back for 2 seconds without the wait 2 seconds, then, well, they'll both say it at the same time. Maybe that's good, maybe that's what you want, but I don't really want that. Also, to get the program to work, you need to make sure these interlock with each other. Just we're going to make them wait 2 seconds. There we go. There we go. Maybe we want it a bit quicker. Let's sit for 1 second. Then we can wait. Let's have a difference of 0.5 seconds. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. Let's cat. Then I think Bear 2 can start the question off here. What's a good question? Do you want to have a picnic? So you spell it? Don't know. Do you want to have a party with me? Okay. And cat. With me. Again. 1 second. 1 second. But it is nice to have a bit of an interval of 0.5 seconds. So it's not just straight away. I'm going to stop you right there, Mr. Bear. Now I want cat. Wait 1 second. So that's 1 second plus 0.5, which is 1.5 plus. So this needs to wait for 2.5 plus the interval, which is 3 seconds. And then he is going to think yes or no. And then he says yes. Now, at this time, we want a party, okay? So now we want to use this thing called a broadcast. We're going to broadcast message 1. And when stage backdrop receives message 1, just add a backdrop. And new backdrop, we want a party. There we go. This is backdrop 1. And I receive message number 1. Looks. So I'm going to switch the backdrop to party. But yes, at the beginning, if we're restarting it, it's not going to go back to the normal. It's going to stay party because we haven't told it when it begins to switch backdrop back to backdrop 1. Right, so shall we try this out? We shall. Hello. Hello. Do you want to have a party with me? Yes or no? Yes! Party! I like that. But I think we want the user to decide whether it wants to go to a party. Now, if we go to where is it? Ask. Here we go. Ask. We're actually going to need an if. If this is going to go like that, and like that. There we go. Okay, so they're going to ask, do you want to go? No. Do you want to go to the party user? And wait, and then we're going to go to the answer. Now, answer is a variable. Okay. Now this so basically the answer of this question will decide whether basically it will be a yes or a no. And so we want to see if it is going to work. So if answer, here we go, so we need the operators. So if answer, here we go, answer equals, we can type in yes. Is that good? Oh no, it's got an extra space, there we go. Answer equals yes, then say yes for 2 seconds. Otherwise, and then broadcast message 1, which will then go to, when I receive message 1, switch backdrop to party. Right. So if it's no, which if it's not yes, it will be no. Then we want to say goodbye. Goodbye. And I want to broadcast another message for the bear to say goodbye. Yeah, did you see what I mean? So I'm going to call it goodbye. So I made a new message. Goodbye. There we go, new broadcast. So clear when bear to receives goodbye. Did I spell goodbye wrong? He is going to wait 0.5 seconds as because that's like the interval, and he is going to say goodbye. Right, shall we see how this works? I'm going to press X and start. Hello, hello. Do you want to have a party with me? Yes or no? Do you want to go to the party user? Yes, that would be lovely. Yes. Oh. Well, why did it do that? Because after it does the if, it does that, doesn't it? Which is why we should have used an if else. Right. So basically, if you don't know why that didn't work, basically after it runs the if, it runs what's after it, and that was after it, so it was going to say goodbye anyway. But now, if it is a yes, then it will do that. If it's a no, then it will do that only. So basically, they're separate. So that's basically why I did that. So, and also I realised the do you want to go for a party was way too short. So I am going to change it to 3 seconds. There we go. Let's see if it works. Hello? Hello? Do you want to have a party with me? Yes or no? Do you want to go to the party, user? Yes. Yes! Party! Amazing! Let's try if it's a no, because when you're programming something, and you have 2 decisions, you wanna make sure both of the decisions work. No. Goodbye, goodbye. I like that. That is nice. So, I guess this brings us to the end of this first tutorial. If you do like this, and you do want to keep the series going, then please leave a big thumbs up. And also subscribe, that'll be greatly appreciated, very much appreciated, uber appreciated. And yes, I will see you next time. Goodbye. And have an amazing morning, afternoon, evening, really early morning, really late afternoon, really early evening, really late evening, good midday, you know, anytime. Bye!